This is Canva graphic application. You are seeing here lots of templates available. I am making Facebook cover. Lots of Facebook cover templates are available here, but I select blank. Blank template has been opened. Bottom side you seeing plus option. I click and select background. Lots of background images are opened here. I select a image. Now I am select photos. Here are lots of images available. Background image, flowers, spring, nature, random, blue background, food, business, beach, money, black background. I click black background. One image I selected. So basic background is ready. Now I am click on elements. You are seeing here lots of features. Shape, frame, lines, arrow, circle. I select frame. This is frame. Now I am adding here my own picture. I click the plus button and open gallery. Now I am adding here text. Type here your name. Now I am adding another text. Here I am typing earning motivator. Now I am adding elements. I click on element and type in search box icon. Lots of icon opened here. I select WhatsApp. Next element icon is Instagram. Now you add here contact number and social media profile name. Adding WhatsApp number is not necessary, it is optional. Now I am adding here text. Here you add motivational statement. Example, start earning today, make money with me, or other statement what you like. Bottom toolbar has many editing features. First is copy, this is copy. Second is delete. Next is edit and next language. Next is font size. Next is color. Next is pointer numbers. Next is line space. This is letter space and this is line space. Next is effect. Next is position. Forward and to back. So many editing features available here in bottom toolbar. Now this graphic image is ready to download. So you can easily edit your graphic images by Canva application. In top toolbar, download arrow, I click here. This image has been downloaded. So you can edit your graphic images by Canva application.